of the food review, and today we're going to be trying something that I found, forgot about at the bottom of my fridge. It's called Jamaican Ginger Beer. It's exactly what it says, it's ginger beer. Twist off cap. I guess before I drink it, 56 grams of sugar. That's a lot of sugar, and 225 calories. Oh, that is strong. So, I don't recommend this. All I taste is ginger. It's burning my throat as we speak now. I don't know how anyone can drink this on a daily basis or think it tastes good. It's really, really nasty. Oh God, I give a thumbs down. Never again. Oh, God. Now, this is fucking disgusting. It's awful.